Hey guys, Joeteck here, and we're going to check out this true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be reviewing a stereo earbud set made by Sainyer. We're going to do an unboxing and demonstration of this. This is actually really cool. There is a 400 milliamp battery pack, and then it's a portable device where you can actually plug in your earbuds to it. Pretty neat. It's actually really cool. I think it's very, very ingenious. This is getting the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because of the ingenuity that they did with this. This is such a clever thing. So this happens to be the battery pack, believe it or not. There is a 400 milliamp battery pack right inside this little cylinder. Then you have your earbuds that get actually placed in like so, and they're magnetic and they get pulled right in. Each earbud is 45 milliamp battery inside of each one. You don't have to use both at the same time. And then you can use either or, and then when you connect both of them, it'll actually say left channel, right channel.
Power
really cool.
on, connected. Right channel, second device connected.
So I really like this a lot. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. A carrying bag, and also comes with a USB cable and additional rubber ear things, so it'll actually fit properly in your ear canal. You could use this with the PC as well. So if your computer or laptop uses Bluetooth, you can pair these bad boys to your laptop or whatever device you have that has Bluetooth connectivity. They'll still work perfectly fine. It works great. So if you have a video game that you want to play, you want to go online, there are microphones in here, you can use it. It's perfectly fine. I really like this product a lot. It's really good. I'm very impressed with it. This is really nice stuff. Really nice stuff. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,